Ledgers. Introduction to ledgers. What is ledger? A ledger is the actual account head to which you identify a transaction. You identify a transaction. Example: capital account, bank account, commission account. Okay, Amit account, Mahesh account. All are what? Ledgers. In Tally, you pass all accounting vouchers using ledgers. Okay, using ledgers only you pass all the accounting vouchers. However, all ledgers have to be classified into groups. All ledgers have to be classified into groups. Next, let's see how to create a ledger. Okay, in exam may ask what is ledger for 2 marks. It's very important. Then we'll ask how to create ledger, how to display, how to alter, then how to delete the ledgers in both single and multiple. First, creating a ledger. Ledgers can be created single and multiple modes. In multiple mode, you can create multiple ledgers at a time. Okay. In single mode, you can create only one ledger. In multiple mode, you can create many ledgers at a time. First, we'll study how to create a single ledger. Creating a single ledger. First, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledgers, then click Create under Single Ledger. Okay. You get this dialog box. You have to enter the ledger name here, then alias, then under which group, then just go on enter the remaining details. Then press yes. Okay, I show you example. Okay, first go to accounts info, then ledgers, then create. In the previous video I explained how to create, display, alter groups. Same way ledger also. Okay, so instead of groups you have to click ledgers. Okay, here also you get create, display, alter. Okay, in both single and multiple mode. Okay, so what are the steps to create ledgers? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledgers, then under single ledger click create. Okay, then enter the ledger name. Okay, example, capital account. Assume Anil invested some amount to start business. Okay, of 5 lakh assume. So Anil capital account. Anil capital account. So then press enter. Then select under. Okay, capital account comes under capital account. Under group capital account. So select capital account. Then press enter. Then just go on press enter. If you want, you can enter the details here, address, state, all those things. Okay, this is how to create ledger. Clear? No? If you want to create one more account, example bank account. Bank account. So bank account comes under bank accounts. So like this you can create any number of ledgers. Okay, we'll take one more account, Mahesh account. Okay, assume Mahesh account Sentry creditor. Sentry creditors. Then just go on, press enter, accept yes. So like this you can create the ledgers. Clear? No? Next. So here name means enter the name of the account. Okay, that ledger name. Okay, here name, here you enter the ledger name. Name of the account. Tally does not allow entry of duplicate names. You cannot enter the same name 2 times. Okay, once assume Mahesh account is created, then again you can't create Mahesh account again. Okay, the uniqueness check. Okay, so okay, the ledger is unique. Okay, so there is a duplicate ledger is not allowed. Alias. Enter an alias name if required. You can access the ledger using the original name or the alias name. Okay, if you want to give another name, you can enter, otherwise leave blank. Under. All accounts must be classified under appropriate groups. Select the group under which the ledger is created from the list of groups. Okay, so under you have to select which that particular ledger comes under which group here. If it is a capital account, comes under capital account. If it is bank, bank account. If any Mahesh account, comes under sender creditor. Okay, then if it is a land account, then if the ledger is land account, under fixed assets, like this. Then opening balance. If yours is an existing company whose books you are entering onto Tally, opening balance would be applicable in circumstances such as when the ledger is an asset or a liability. If it has a balance in the account as on the date of beginning of book in Tally. Okay, if you have some balance in the account at the beginning, then you can enter it. Inventory values affected. If set yes, you need link inventory with account. Okay, if there is a related to inventory, then you have to set yes. If there is no inventory, then set no. Mailing details. Under mailing details, enter name and address, country, state, pin code, provide bank details. If you are creating a person's or company's account, if you are creating person's account or company's account, then you have to enter the email address, name, then country, state, pin code, then bank details, all those things. Otherwise, not necessary. Next, display. Okay, so here you have to fill all those things. Okay, so inventory values affected. If there is any related to stock items, all those things, then you have to set yes. Otherwise, no. Then mailing details, all the name, company name, address, country. Okay, all those things. Then bank details. If you want to provide, click yes. Okay, like this. Next, how to displaying a single ledger. How to displaying a single ledger. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledger, then Display. Let's see here. Okay, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledgers, then click Display. Okay, so here, so these are the ledgers. Okay, annual capital account, just I created. Bank account, also I created. Mahesh account. Okay, by default, the two ledgers are created by default: cash account and profit and loss account. It may ask for 2 marks, which of the two ledgers are created by default. The answer is cash account and profit and loss account. These two ledgers not necessary to create. Okay, it creates automatically. Okay, whenever you create the company, it creates automatically. Clear, no? Next, altering single ledger. To alter single ledger, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledger, then alter. Okay, then under single ledger, then select the ledger which you want to alter and alter it. Okay, if you want to alter the ledger, okay, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Single Ledger, Alter. Click alter. Okay, so which ledger you want to alter? Okay, example Mahesh account. Okay, so instead of Mahesh account, I want to change, assume Bhatt account. Instead of Mahesh account, I want to change to Bhatt account. Okay, assume instead of sentry creditor, I want sentry debtor. Okay, if you want to change, you can easily change it by using alter option. Just go on, press enter. Yes, now it changed to Bhatt account. Clear, no? This is how to alter it. Next, deleting single ledger, you can delete a ledger account from the ledger alteration screen by pressing Alt D. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledger, Alter. Okay, to delete any ledger, you have to click go Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledger, then Alter. Then select the ledger which you want to delete. Then press Alt D. Okay, I show the example. Okay, so here Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledger, then click Alter. Okay, to delete any ledger, first you have to go to Alter. Then select the ledger, which ledger you want to delete. Example, I want to delete Bhatt account. Okay, I want to delete Bhatt account. Select that one and press enter. After that, press Alt D. Okay, when you press Alt D, it asks to delete. Okay, it asks question mark. It asks question whether you want to delete or not. Okay, if you press yes, it get delete. If you press no, it not get delete. Okay, if you want to delete it, press yes. See here. So there is no but account is get deleted. But account get deleted. Clear? No? This is how to delete a ledger. Next, creating multiple ledger. Creating multiple ledger. Okay, so here for creating multiple ledger, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, then under multiple ledgers, click create. Okay, Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, ledgers, create under multiple ledgers. Okay, so then which are the ledgers you want to create? Okay, mention all the ledgers. So here you can create any number of ledgers at the same time. That's the advantage of multiple ledger. Okay, let's take an example. Go to ledgers, then select under multiple ledgers. Okay, click create. Okay, so under which group we want to create? Okay, you can create multiple ledgers under the same group. Okay, for example, Sentry Creditor. Okay, under Sentry Creditor. Example, Vinay account. Vinay account is Sentry Creditors. Then one more account you can create, Ajay account under Sentry Creditor. You can create only under Sentry Creditor only. Okay, so like this you can create any number of ledgers under Sentry Creditors. Then accept yes. Clear? No? This is how to create a multiple ledgers under same group. Next, so here name of ledgers. Enter the name of ledger that you like to create in Tally. Okay, the name of ledgers. Here ABC Limited, Tech Solution. These all are the name of ledgers. Next, under group field can be automatically filled by Tally as Bangalore debtors. Okay, so here it automatically fill Bangalore debtors. So here you selected Bangalore debtors here, so that's why the same name displays automatically here. Okay. Next, after entering the details, press enter to continue. You will get message as accept, yes or no. Choose yes to accept the updated details in Tally Airplane. Okay, after entering the details, it asks accept yes or no. Okay, it asks accept yes or no. If you press yes, okay, the ledgers get created. Next, displaying multiple ledgers. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledgers, then display under multiple ledgers. So here go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledgers, then under multiple ledgers click display. So it displays all the ledgers. Clear, no? Next, how to alter? Altering ledgers in multiple mode. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Ledgers, Alter. Okay, under multiple ledgers. Then select the group to alter ledger which you want to alter.